feel just like some $2 whore waiting for my final call. Down and begging pennies for drinks. High life wasn't so high after all. Traveled once and to the limit. Found the cool world, man. It was with despair and new ways to make changes, all blending into a single sound. Armless man years ago, feet topped with a spoon. Old man Virgil on the street singing, crying the blues. The old horn that Annie bought with a sweat and vision. I could go wherever I wanted in this life, like a bird across the Kansas City night. But then I found the dark low. The wild ideas began to flow. Whole new system of sound and time, shaped to provide its own design. Harmonies Lester hadn't heard. Gone along a lavender hazy world. Learned to play the blues in all 12 keys. Young Amadeus of the ghetto, blowing out bop melodies, hearing with the third ear the explosions of pure energy. Stereotype con man, New York City. Natural born gangster genius, not afraid to pull the trigger. Monkey on my back, kept the outside world off it. Somehow sprung fully gone from the brow of a modern Jupiter. Prophet who took the wrong course and wound up in a new world. Black pariah who brought the fire to the enemy. Dug in on the front lines, blowing blue harmonic schemes. Saxophone cry love and rage, the raw notes of a junkie sage running out of plays. In the fire of spring, what new songs to sing. Bird on the wing, the scenery is shifting. They tell you there's limits, but man, there's no limits, just forces through my green age. And I am unable to shout at the devil. The child and dream remain deep within. But I done gone back to my kick again. I can't live without tomorrow. Just live from day to day and try to play the blues a new kind of way. The beat behind the music, pushing forward and against it. In hothouse halls and on the street, like a black cat landing on the feet. Verse notes fired into space, cryptic and disjointed, like a preacher shouting sermons in the desert. Like thunder in the distance. Place to sleep, something to eat, pussy, drugs, and a fifth of gin. Don't care what I look like, man, cause the game I play don't nobody win. Don't believe the thunder or the hype that music breaks down walls when I'm sleeping in the ghetto after freeing time in the concert halls, and I am unable to find my way through this languid fever, and I am unable to control the force that is my destroyer. I proclaim to the night my naked soul. Ah, to hell with it, man. How about a shot of whiskey before the next set? You know what? Better make it a double.